Ultimaker is well known in the industry for delivering massive performance and robust output. Introducing the new addition to the S-line of 3D printers, I'm EJ with the Ultimaker S3, and this is all about 3D printing. The Ultimaker S3 adapts all the great features of the Ultimaker S5 and presents it in a smaller package. You can print a whole range of materials from thermoplastics in engineering composites like carbon fiber and glass fiber. There's also a magnetic glass door for more consistent build chamber temperature. An integrated power supply that eliminates the bulky power brick. Rigid frame and improved build platform design for higher stability. Hardened steel feeders so you do not have to worry about printing hard and abrasive materials. Advanced bed leveling for perfect first layers every time. Dynamic stepper motor drivers for higher accuracy and precise movements. The award-winning touchscreen interface that is very responsive and intuitive. Also, both nozzles can now reach the entire build volume, which is great if you want to take advantage of the whole build plate. And that is the Ultimaker S3. If you want to pre-order or want to learn more about the S3, there's a link to our official website down below along with our social media accounts. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and this is all about 3D printing.